Ecofeminism is a branch of feminism that sees environmentalism and the relationship between women and earth as foundational to its analysis and practices. Ecofeminist thinkers draw on the concept of gender to analyze the relationships between human and the natural world. Ecofeminism, a historical background. The term ecofeminism or ecological feminism was first proposed in 1974 by the French feminist Françoise Dubon in her book Feminism or Destruction. As a combined product of ecological movement and women's movement, the development of ecofeminism is iconic and evident. Prominent faces of ecofeminism. A legendary woman, Rachel Carson, was an American biologist who got famous for writing Silent Spring, which highlighted the overuse of chemical fertilizers. An example of bravery and enthusiasm was Amrita Devi, a female Indian villager who hugged the trees to save them from destruction by the king's soldiers. Another inspiring ecofeminist was Wangari Maathai, who led the Green Belt movement in Kenya and also taught the Kenyan women the importance of planting trees. Jane Goodall is a British primatologist and anthropologist who discovered the family and social interaction of wild chimpanzees at Gombe National Park in Tanzania. Dian Fossey was famous for her Fossey's protection of the gorillas and all animals, which positioned her as one of the most prominent faces of ecofeminism. Birute Galdikas is an anthropologist, conservationist, ethologist, and a renowned author, who is the world's leading authority on orangutans involving conservation and rehabilitation efforts for orangutans. These primates are also called as Leakey's angels by Louis Leakey to study the hominids in their natural environment. Womanhood in Indian faith, tradition and culture. In India, nature has always been worshipped as goddess, which is a feminine personification from the very ancient times. In modern India, the focus of worship lies around the 7 rivers known as the Saptanadi, the Ganga, Yamuna, Sindhu, Narmada, Godavari, Krishna and the Kaveri. River goddesses are referenced by the Vedas as mothers. The 7 mother rivers are the oldest collection of rivers in India, which are worshipped with sacred verses of the respective rivers and goddesses which are recited while performing the Hindu rituals. In our country, women adore Tulsi plant for its sacred values and various medicinal properties. Another common practice is vegetable waste composting. Here, vegetable peels, coffee grounds, tea, eggshells are used. It basically reduces the waste. Ecofeminism and its development. Exposing domination, unequal and counterproductive development models, and revaluing diversity to ensure truly sustainable and inclusive development.